In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a game in the Microsoft Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a digital game to a friend or family member and what to check along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by launching the Microsoft Store. On Windows, open the Store app from the taskbar or the Start menu. On Xbox, open the store from your console's home screen. Make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account you want to use for the purchase, since the gift will be tied to this transaction. It's also a good moment to confirm your payment method is up to date to avoid any last-minute hiccups. Next, search for the game you want to buy. Use the search bar and open the game's product page. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct edition, standard, deluxe, or any bundle, because the gift will be exactly what you choose. If the title has different platform listings, ensure it matches where your friend will play. Some items, like certain subscriptions or add-ons, may not be giftable, and availability can vary by region and rating restrictions. On the games page, look near the Buy button for a small gift wrap icon. If you don't see it, click the three dots menu next to Buy. That's where the gifting option often lives. If gifting isn't shown at all, the item might not support gifts in your region or at this time. Choose Buy as Gift. This opens a panel where you'll decide how to send it. Keep in mind that gifts generally follow regional rules, so it's best if your friend's account region matches the store region you're buying from. Now enter your friend's email address or select their gamer tag from your Xbox friends list. If you use an email, make sure it's one they actively check because the redemption code will be delivered there. If you pick a gamer tag, confirm you've selected the right person from your list. Double-check spelling and details. This helps ensure the code reaches the right recipient without delays. Complete your payment to finish. After checkout, Microsoft sends your friend a redeemable code by email, and they'll also get a system notification on their console if you use their gamer tag. Tell them to look for the message, and if it doesn't appear right away, to check their spam or junk folder. They can redeem through the link in the email on their console or from the Microsoft Store website. You'll receive a purchase confirmation as well, and if needed, you can usually resend the gift email from your order history as long as the code hasn't been redeemed. That's it. Simple, quick, and a great way to share a game.